Today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can edit your YouTube videos on the go from your phone only. So as you can see, I'm outside taking a walk, enjoying this beautiful weather here in Canada. And okay, so if you're on the go, you wanna post your YouTube videos, but you don't have access to your computer, but you still want to be present for your YouTube channel, because we know that YouTube is the best platform to grow and to eventually make passive income or semi-passive income. But look, if this is the work, it's just talking to your audience, connecting with your people on your YouTube channel. It's not that bad, right? So what you're gonna do, so let's say my people, there are people in their 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s trying to make some passive or semi-passive income online. They're super busy already, probably working their 9 to 5, but they're still trying to make it happen for themselves. So my advice for you guys, and this is exactly what I'm doing as well, is gonna be to take a video from your phone. So every day, wherever you are, whatever you're doing, so you're gonna take a video, take the full video, do not edit it first. Take a very long video. I recommend taking shorter videos, especially if you want to post often, because we know that consistency is the key. You have to be consistent, especially when you start. Do not try to be complicated with your editing or whatever you want to do with your YouTube channel. Start easy, simple, right? When you have more time, you can think about adding more edits, making it more professional. But when you start, we want to have real people. We want to talk to real people, so we don't need to have complicated editing. So take a full long video, present your subject, whatever you're talking about, and when you're done, I'll show you what we're gonna do. So take a very long video. You want to go to CapCut. This is the one I use. It's super easy, especially on your phone. Very easy to work with. So you're gonna go to new project. These are my videos, okay? So what you're gonna want to do is just to take all the shots you had. So if I remember, I had this one. Yeah, okay. So we're gonna select multiple. So 1, 2, and 3. But I'm also gonna put, in this video I'm making, I'm also gonna put this quick screenshot of me editing my videos on the go using CapCut. So I took my 3 videos. So see, I made sure that all my videos are just long videos. I don't want to take little clips, small clips. So then you go to add, and I didn't take my microphone today, so the wind is probably horrible. So it's gonna load. Now the video is fully loaded in CapCut. So what you're gonna do here, in today's video, you're gonna listen how you can to your video. So you see, I just posted the long video I took. I think it's 3 minutes. It's not that long, but anyways, and here in today's video, you're just gonna select the clips you want to keep. So here in today's video, okay, here I'm gonna edit. So you go to edit split, and I'm gonna take that one off. And then you go like that for the entire video. You're just gonna listen to your video videos on the go from your phone edit only. Split where you wanna split. So here
As I said, you need to keep the video long so you have the minimum amount of work to do on it. So here you're gonna do that for the entire video. Okay, so here in this section, I know that I'm saying give me some thumbs up. So I'm gonna add an emoji on the screen. So if you want to use CapCut, very simple. So you're gonna go to stickers right here at the bottom. And I'm saying, don't forget to give me some thumbs up. So I'm gonna I've got the Pro. You don't have to buy the Pro. You also can work with the regular. I'm gonna put like right here. Give me some thumbs up. So I say give me some thumbs up. So I'm gonna put it right here. And I want to put an animation. So just gonna put like a spring and give me some thumbs up like that. And I say also like don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So I'm gonna put that one. So in here you're gonna go to add another sticker. So over here I'm gonna go back. I'll use this one. Same thing. I'm gonna put some animation with it. Once you're done doing that, what you can do as well is to add some caption. You go to caption. Again, I have the Pro, so that helps. But you can generate some caption. Maybe that one. Let's see. Okay, we're gonna generate the caption. So you just wait. It's pretty quick actually, if you can see. Once you have the caption that is on the screen, you can edit if you want. Go to edit caption here at the bottom and you can read and see if everything is fine. Once you're done with that, you're just gonna export. So you're gonna tap on export at the top right corner and you can choose the definition you want. So I like to put no watermark because I've got the Pro version again. Ultra HD resolution for YouTube, I'm putting it in 4K now. Frame rate, I'll leave it here, 30. Optical flow, I keep it. And that's it. And then you're just gonna export. Here it's exporting the video. You're gonna have to wait a little while. It probably will take, depending on how long is your video, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Because I put a high quality here too. Don't forget that. So I'll get back when it's completely exported right here. Once it's done exporting, you'll have this screen here showing your video and then a few social media logos right here. So you want to go to other and you're going to click on YouTube. So it's going to take you to your YouTube channel right here. So what you want to do, very simple, you're going to go to next. So as you can see, I'm outside. It's going to process. And here, you know exactly, you have your description ready, your title and everything, you know what to do. Go ahead, put your description, create a thumbnail if you want to using Canva, or simply you can as well just take a part of the video and use it as a thumbnail if you want to. And then you go to location if you want, put the comments on off, whatever you want to put over here for your YouTube channel, the settings you want. And when you're ready to post, you can literally go to public and save it, and it's going to be posted on your YouTube channel. I hope it was useful. If this was useful, don't forget to give me some thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you want to follow my journey. I'm still doing that crazy YouTube challenge where I'm posting once a day for 30 days. Today's Tuesday and we're on day 9. Let's go. I'll show you my results at the end of these 30 days. See you tomorrow for the next video.